I'm here today to talk to you about one thing you can do to make your low back or sciatica pain better. You may not realize that when you sit in a chair, if you put your hands on your hips, we tend to sink back into the chair. So whether it's a couch, any kind of soft chair, we tend to do it. Sometimes even on a hard kitchen chair, you'll find that you do this. So the thing that you can do is find a lumbar roll. You can get them on Amazon, $15 or less. Use that, or take a hand towel, roll it up, and make kind of a small bolster. You're going to put that, if your hip bones are here, you're going to put it right above that and back against there. That's going to allow you to be up on your sits bones. You know those bony, when people would say, oh, you have a bony butt when you're a little kid? That's the bones you want to have in the chair that you can feel, okay? That is going to allow you to have good alignment with the pelvis, and it's going to allow you to shut those low back muscles off. So often, our pain is simply an alert system to tell us that something is working too hard. It's just saying, hello, hello, we are doing so much work and we would like a break. Anybody? As a mom, I know you understand that feeling, right? So your back is feeling that way too. So give it a break and sit with a lumbar roll or a cushion. And that's going to help ease some of your low back pain and sciatica pain. That's one of the best steps you can take into the right direction to start feeling better. I'm Dr. Shari, Orthopedic Physical Therapist, founder of Athletic Movement Clinic. And if this tip helped you, hit the subscribe button, or if you're on social media, follow along, and we'll get you more tips to get you feeling better. Stay strong, Mama.